Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you my new in pieces from Boohoo. Now I did a little bit of a shop on there recently and I wanted to get pieces that would work together well as an outfit but also work really well with the other pieces that I already have in my wardrobe. So without further ado, let's get straight into this haul. So as we are still very much in self-isolation / lockdown and we are working from home more than we ever have before, I thought it was a good idea to pick up at least one basic / lounge piece. I always find myself gravitating towards matching hoodies and sweats and just pieces that make me feel comfortable. So the piece I actually picked out, I did want to go for in another colour, but it came in black instead by accident, and I'm not actually that mad about it because I still think it looks really cute. So I'm just going to unfold the jumper. It was just really cutely displayed there. So originally I wanted it in a camel colour, however it ended up coming in black and it just says Kyoto on there. So it's a really simple oversized hoodie, just really basic to be honest, and I thought it would be the perfect piece to layer with other items when days are colder and I just want to add a bit more to my outfit. So this hoodie would go really great underneath a leather jacket or underneath a lighter jacket just to give you that extra warmth. I really love this jumper. I just think the way that it looked on the model looked so nice and just something that I could easily pull off and also wear on my no makeup days. It's an ideal piece if you guys are working from home. Now the next item that I'm about to show you is probably my most exciting piece to date. I have wanted these exact shorts for so long and I actually wanted to get them and wear them in Paris. However, I couldn't actually get them in time and I was so gutted. But I'm so glad that they are still very much on the website and I just knew the fact that they were still there, it was meant to be. So I got my first pair of leather city shorts. I have been on the hunt for a good high street pair of leather shorts that give the city short vibe and do it well. And as soon as I saw this colour, I knew I really wanted to invest in a good pair that would just go with everything. So I'm really excited to style these with the pieces that I've got in this haul, but also with other pieces in my wardrobe. Also a nice style investment. I've seen that city shorts are a really popular trend this year and it was one that I wanted to try out myself. I'm just so gutted that I didn't get to shoot any content in them in Paris. I know they would have been such a vibe. So if you guys are aware of the current trends, you would have seen that these were spotted on Bottega Veneta and also Celine. So there are lots of designers launching their own pair of city shorts, but I think Boohoo have done such a good job at making these city shorts look really luxurious and far more expensive than they actually are. So the next piece that I decided to go for is so basic, but I feel like when you have basic items in your wardrobe, they are the pieces that last a lifetime and just go with absolutely everything in your wardrobe. So I just wanted to find myself a really nice ribbed halter style top, something that I could tuck into jeans or smart trousers or even the city shorts. So I really love the racer back style. I think it's super flattering and looks great on everyone. So yeah, really nice, simple, basic. So moving on to the more accessorizing items, I am a massive sunglasses person. I absolutely love to elevate any outfit with a statement pair of sunglasses, and I feel like you can never have too many styles. If you see a pair that you like, then definitely invest when you can, because trends do come around quite often and I've built a really nice collection of sunglasses. Not all of them expensive. I feel like you can buy some amazing sunglasses for such affordable prices these days, and I have been on an absolute mission to not break the budget with a new pair of sunglasses that were rectangular shaped. So when I saw these rectangular sunglasses from Boohoo, I knew I needed them in my life. So these sunglasses are a matte black frame with a thick side panel on both sides there, and then yeah, just rectangular shaped. I really love the way this looks. I feel like I'm going to be able to get so much amazing content with these sunglasses, and also they go with everything because they are black. So I just love the whole vibe, and I think that we're definitely having a 90s resurgence right now. We've got a lot of tie-dye coming in at the moment as well, so I feel like there's a lot of 90s and like early noughties trends filtering through right now. So if you're looking for a really cheap pair of sunglasses that are rectangular, then I highly recommend these Boohoo ones. I was on the hunt for a nice pair of leather look sliders that just gave a bit more of a luxurious effect and feel. So when I came across these leather look sliders, I knew I needed to purchase them. I just feel like they'll go with absolutely everything from jeans to shorts or something like a floaty dress. I feel like you can accessorize these shoes in so many different ways, and the fact that it's got this really dark gold hardware just gives it a more luxurious feel. They definitely look far more expensive than they actually are. If you're looking to up your shoe game but you don't want to spend too much money, then these Boohoo sliders are the ones to go for. Thanks so much guys for tuning into today's video. I really hope you like the pieces that I decided to pick out and pair together. Let me know in the comments below what was your favourite piece and why. I can't wait to see you in my next video guys. Stay sweet.